What is an AI PC? Let's get started. Listening.
What do you expect from an AI PC that can help you? What do you expect from an AI PC that can help you? What do you expect from an AI PC that can help you?
I can communicate with the computer by entering simple instructions that are similar to human-like conversations. I can communicate with the computer by entering simple instructions that are similar to human-like conversations. I can communicate with the computer by entering simple instructions that are similar to human-like conversations. The computer can understand my instruction and return the result, for examples, human-like text. I can fine-tune the generated text in a few minutes. The computer can understand my instruction and return the result, for example, human-like text. I can fine-tune the generated text in a few minutes. The computer can understand my instruction and return the result, for example, human-like text. I can fine-tune the generated text in a few minutes.
How is an AI PC able to generate human-like content? How is an AI PC able to generate human-like content? How is an AI PC able to generate human-like content?
With the use of natural language processing, the computer can understand my written language via processing and interpreting text. With the use of natural language processing, the computer can understand my written language via processing and interpreting text. With the use of natural language processing, the computer can understand my written language via processing and interpreting text.
What is your expectation of an AI PC that can raise the productivity? What is your expectation of an AI PC that can raise the productivity? What is your expectation of an AI PC that can raise the productivity?
If I've to write an article, I would expect that the computer can create the draft for me efficiently. I can then make small changes to complete my work without any hassle. If I've to write an article, I would expect that the computer can create the draft for me efficiently. I can then make small changes to complete my work without any hassle. If I've to write an article, I would expect that the computer can create the draft for me efficiently. I can then make small changes to complete my work without any hassle. If I've to perform some research, I would expect that the computer can summarize the key points of different papers. I can review the summary and focus to provide my standpoints. If I've to perform some research, I would expect that the computer can summarize the key points of different papers. I can review the summary and focus to provide my standpoints. If I've to perform some research, I would expect that the computer can summarize the key points of different papers. I can review the summary and focus to provide my standpoints. If I've to create public relations content, I would expect that the computer can develop content for press releases, newsletters, and media kits. If I've to create public relations content, I would expect that the computer can develop content for press releases, newsletters, and media kits. If I've to create public relations content, I would expect that the computer can develop content for press releases, newsletters, and media kits. If I've to design marketing materials, I would expect that the computer can generate the image, based on my text input of describing the theme of the campaign. If I've to design marketing materials, I would expect that the computer can generate the image, based on my text input of describing the theme of the campaign. If I've to design marketing materials, I would expect that the computer can generate the image, based on my text input of describing the theme of the campaign. If I've to prepare a video, I would expect that the computer can generate the video in short periods. I can spend a few minutes to adjust the text and image for fitting my requirement perfectly. If I've to prepare a video, I would expect that the computer can generate the video in short periods. I can spend a few minutes to adjust the text and image for fitting my requirement perfectly. If I've to prepare a video, I would expect that the computer can generate the video in short periods. I can spend a few minutes to adjust the text and image for fitting my requirement perfectly.
How may an AI PC solve your pain points at work? How may an AI PC solve your pain points at work? How may an AI PC solve your pain points at work?
The computer can save my valuable time in preparing the material from scratch. By automating 50% of my standard tasks, I can shift my priority to more important tasks. The computer can save my valuable time in preparing the material from scratch. By automating 50% of my standard tasks, I can shift my priority to more important tasks. The computer can save my valuable time in preparing the material from scratch. By automating 50% of my standard tasks, I can shift my priority to more important tasks.
What are the standard tasks that you would expect from an AI PC? What are the standard tasks that you would expect from an AI PC? What are the standard tasks that you would expect from an AI PC?
If the computer can be my smart and personal assistant, it's trained to learn and complete the tasks at my request. If the computer can be my smart and personal assistant, it's trained to learn and complete the tasks at my request. If the computer can be my smart and personal assistant, it's trained to learn and complete the tasks at my request. Some of the standard tasks, for example, performing data analysis, preparing reports, and editing photos, can be intelligently handled by the AI assistant. Some of the standard tasks, for example, performing data analysis, preparing reports, and editing photos, can be intelligently handled by the AI assistant. Some of the standard tasks, for example, performing data analysis, preparing reports, and editing photos, can be intelligently handled by the AI assistant. As a personal assistant, the computer should be able to support searching and retrieving the information efficiently and accurately. As a personal assistant, the computer should be able to support searching and retrieving the information efficiently and accurately. As a personal assistant, the computer should be able to support searching and retrieving the information efficiently and accurately. If the assistant can alert me to the possibility of any issues based on my past information, it's a compelling reason for buying the AI PC. If the assistant can alert me to the possibility of any issues based on my past information, it's a compelling reason for buying the AI PC. If the assistant can alert me to the possibility of any issues based on my past information, it's a compelling reason for buying the AI PC.
What are the differences between an AI PC and a PC with AI function? What are the differences between an AI PC and a PC with AI function? What are the differences between an AI PC and a PC with AI function?
You may have already used AI software to generate content by using computer. However, it's actually different for AI software and AI PC. You may have already used AI software to generate content by using computer. However, it's actually different for AI software and AI PC. You may have already used AI software to generate content by using computer. However, it's actually different for AI software and AI PC. The hardware of AI PC comes with a new type of chip, that is, neural processing units which can handle complex tasks speedily. The hardware of AI PC comes with a new type of chip, that is, neural processing units which can handle complex tasks speedily. The hardware of AI PC comes with a new type of chip, that is, neural processing units which can handle complex tasks speedily. Most of the AI software runs in the cloud but not the computer locally. The AI PC can learn and run your data quickly and smoothly while maintaining privacy. Most of the AI software runs in the cloud but not the computer locally. The AI PC can learn and run your data quickly and smoothly while maintaining privacy. Most of the AI software runs in the cloud but not the computer locally. The AI PC can learn and run your data quickly and smoothly while maintaining privacy. By using the AI PC, you should not pay for any service plan of AI software because AI applications are embedded in the PC. By using the AI PC, you should not pay for any service plan of AI software because AI applications are embedded in the PC. By using the AI PC, you should not pay for any service plan of AI software because AI applications are embedded in the PC.
I bought a new notebook last year. Should I upgrade my PC to a new AI PC? I bought a new notebook last year. Should I upgrade my PC to a new AI PC? I bought a new notebook last year. Should I upgrade my PC to a new AI PC?
It's just the start of AI PC revolution. Different computer manufacturers are continually investing resources to launch the competitive functions of the AI PC. It's just the start of AI PC revolution. Different computer manufacturers are continually investing resources to launch the competitive functions of the AI PC. It's just the start of AI PC revolution. Different computer manufacturers are continually investing resources to launch the competitive functions of the AI PC. Unless you would like to be the pioneer of using AI PC, it's wise to wait for more news about the features and innovations before making the purchase decision. Unless you would like to be the pioneer of using AI PC, it's wise to wait for more news about the features and innovations before making the purchase decision. Unless you would like to be the pioneer of using AI PC, it's wise to wait for more news about the features and innovations before making the purchase decision.